Hello everyone and welcome to the Mixstack, where I create videos around design, development, some neat little tips and tricks. So if you are interested in those things, then make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos. Now the topic we are going to discuss in this video is a problem with dual booted systems and the WSL 2.0. The problem goes like this. So if you have a dual booted system and you spend too much time on Linux, and then when you come back to the Windows, you see that your clock is not in sync with your current clock, that is, the Windows shows a wrong timing, and this affects WSL 2.0 in a way that if you try to update your repositories in WSL 2.0 with sudo apt update command, it will show some warning or some errors saying that the repositories are not available and will be available after some time. So this happens because your current system time is not in sync with the servers which are holding those repositories. So let me show you the problem real quick. If you see at the bottom right corner, it shows the time as 6 o'clock, near about 6 o'clock in the evening, but that's the wrong time because currently it's around 12 o'clock at night, and we can verify it by going into WSL. For this, open up the start menu and start typing Windows Terminal. But if you don't have Windows Terminal, then you can use Ubuntu as well. So for this, type in Ubuntu in the search box, but as I have Windows Terminal, I will open it. So type in the name and open. This will take some time to initialize, so I'll wait for it. Once it's done, I'll type date command to check the current time, and surely it shows the wrong time because it shows a 6 o'clock. At this point, if I try to update my system with sudo apt update and type in the password, okay, looks like I'm offline, so I'll have to be online for this. So let me close this and connect to the Wi-Fi. Yeah, so now I'm back online. So type in again sudo apt update and hit enter. It will take some time, but after some time it will show 3 errors on the screen. Yeah, it shows those errors, and it says that the repositories are not valid yet, and these will be valid after some time. So this is the issue with the repositories or the server holding the repositories and your current time not being in sync. So many solutions say that you will have to install some other packages, but for this solution you don't have to install any other package. So for this, we will have to sync our Windows time with correct time. So for this, close the current WSL session and go to start menu and start typing date and time. Open the date and time settings and scroll down until you find sync now button. Click that button and wait till the time gets synced. Once it's done, you can see the correct time at the bottom right corner. Now let's try to see if it works in the WSL. So open Windows Terminal and go to Windows Terminal again. Let us type date command and still it shows the wrong time. So that's the problem. To fix this, close the current WSL session and open PowerShell by going into Start menu and typing PowerShell. You'll have to open PowerShell as an administrator. So click on the Run as Administrator. It will ask the permission, so click yes, and the PowerShell will open. In the PowerShell, type WSL -- shutdown and hit enter. This will shut down the WSL. Now close this PowerShell and go back to WSL by going to Windows Terminal. Now this will take some little more time, so let's wait for it to initialize. Now once it's initialized, let us type the date command again to check if it works, and yeah, this works. It shows the correct time now. And now if we try to update our system with sudo apt update and hit enter, type in our password, again hit enter, surely it fetches all the repositories and with no errors. So that's the solution for this problem. So if you like the video, make sure you like the video and share with your friends who are having this problem so that they can solve it without any third-party packages. Thank you.